Hi, I am Wesley Allsbrook. I'm an artist and an art director. And the brush that I like to use is a flat, simple brush with taper because it most resembles working with ink, which is how I traditionally worked. I wanted initially to find a way to say, oh, that woman has a beautiful voice. And if there's something beautiful about her, I want there to be something kind of like grotesque about the way that she looks on the outside. I love drawing women in a way that makes it look like they're trying to be attractive and they're attractive for, not the reason that they're advertising. For me, what's really kind of different about drawing immersively as opposed to kind of like drawing flat is you get to change your angle. You get to change your angle all the time and everything has to be interesting. I mean, this is geometry. It actually kind of has shape and form. It's not like you have a surface. Every stroke is an object. So maybe that's a little bit in the weeds, but yeah, that's what I like.
SoulPancake.